We are on Carnival Pride in suite 6217. This is a grand suite, and I've never been in a grand suite before, so let's check it out. Walking in, there's a closet right here. Life vests and an automatic light, which is really nice. More closet space. Looks like there is the cooling fridge down there. Some more shelving space. Telephone, the 240 plug, and it looks like there are USB ports right here for charging if you want. There's that one. And water glasses and such. Then we come into the main room. There's plenty of space in here. A little table and chairs. King bed, TV up on the shelf. There is a safe in here and plenty of drawer space. So there's that. This actually has space for 2 beds. So there is the bed here and the couch, but then there's also one that drops from the ceiling. So you can fit up to 4 people in here if you want to. All right, we're gonna turn around over here. There's closet space right here. More drawer space. It's all the drawer space on the planet here. A little side room, which I guess is a dressing room sort of space, and there's a sink, a chair there. Again, more closet space right here. There's a robe in here. So let's see, another automatic light. And then the bathroom. 2 sinks, plenty of shelving space, a toilet, a bidet. So I have no idea how that works. So I guess I'm just gonna figure it out. Probably make a video about that. Not a disgusting one, but a video nevertheless. We have a jetted tub with a handheld attachment for showering. This looks really nice. I'm looking forward to getting in there. And then there's 2 of me, hi. Then we head to the balcony. Here we are on a very spacious balcony here in the Port of Baltimore. Look at the size of this thing. Most balconies are not this long at all. So we have a couple of lounge chairs here, a table, a couple of other chairs. But then there's another picture window here, which is beside the bed. And then we are at the end of a curve in the hallway, so there is another cabin right there. But aside from that, it's pretty well unobstructed. When you look at this cabin balcony, it is extended. So normal balconies end about here, and this one goes all the way out to here. So there's a lot more space for hanging out and just doing balcony stuff. One more thing about this cabin, this power is very well hidden. It's in the dressing room, and that, as far as I can tell, the only 120 volt outlet that exists, or 110 volt, that is easily accessible. There's also this one behind the TV. So if you have a power strip, you could plug it up in there. All right, and that is our cabin, the grand suite on the Carnival Pride, 6217.